Alright, SPI 0806 4.4, convert between and within the U.S. customary system and the metric system. How do I convert between a variety of measurements would be our essential question. Alright, how do I convert between a variety of measurements? In this case, I have 22 gallons and I need to convert it to quarts. So here what I want to do, I got to say 22 gallons and I want to convert it to quarts. So in this case, I want to be able to get rid of the gallons. So what I want to do in order to cancel it out, I got to put that opposite side. So I know there, I'm going to put quarts on top. In this case, I know how many quarts are in 1 gallon. Well, there's 4 quarts per 1 gallon. From here, I just multiply across the top. I should cancel out my gallons. 22 times 4 would be 88. And then I can multiply across the bottom. It's understood that there's a 1 there. 1 times 1 is 1. So I know for 22 gallons, there's 88 quarts. Alright, let's look at this problem. On June 11th, 2004, tennis player Andy Roddick delivered the fastest tennis serve ever recorded by radar. If the radar gun being used that day sent out signals every 0.1 second and recorded the ball moving 22.44 feet between flashes, how fast was Andy Roddick's serve in miles per hour? Alright, I actually have a couple different conversions I have to make here. The first thing I want to do is look at what information it gives me. I know they say the ball is moving 22.44 feet per 0.1 second. So I'm just going to take that and write that down. 22.44 feet per 0.1 second. So now I've got to make a conversion, actually 2 different conversions. The first one I want to deal with just the distance. Well, what do they want to convert it to? Next here they want to convert to miles per hour. So I want to convert the feet to miles and the seconds to hours. And we can do that. But the first one we want to deal with is the feet. We need to take that and put it to miles. Well, again, I want to be able to cancel out the feet, so I'm going to go diagonally. Feet per mile. Now, how many feet are there in a mile? There's 5,280 feet per 1 mile. Now, at this point, I can cancel out my feet because they're going to be gone. Now that I've dealt with the distance, now I can go back and deal with the time. So I'm going to do one more conversion, just straight across. I want to convert seconds to hours. Well, I know I have to go diagonally, seconds to hours. I got to figure out how many seconds are there in 1 hour. Well, there's 60 seconds for 1 minute, and then there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that would be 60 times 60. 3,600 seconds per 1 hour. From there, I can go ahead and cancel out my seconds. 22.44 times 1 times 3,600. That's going to give you 80,784. And all I did again is multiply straight across the top. And then now I'm going to multiply straight across the bottom, and I get 0.1 times 5,280 times 1 is 528. The last step there, I just simply divide those two to get my final solution. 80,784 divided by 528, and I get 153 miles per hour. So in the end, his serve was 153 miles per hour.